Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. So in the first question we have a number 108 multiplied by 192. We find the prime factors and then we represent them in exponential form. Prime factors are the numbers that have just two factors, 1 and number itself. So 108, we find the prime factors of 108 by using prime factorization. So 108 is divisible by 2. So when we divide 108 by 2, we get answer 54. 54 is again divisible by 2, we get answer 27. Again 27 is divisible by 3. 3 is also a prime number. So 27 divided by 3, we get answer 9. 9 is again divisible by 3. We get answer 3, and 3 divided by 3, we get answer 1. So 108 is a repeated multiplication of 2 and 3. Next number is 192. We find the prime factors of 192. So 192 is divisible by 2. We get answer 96. And 96 again divisible by 2. We get answer 48. And 48 again divisible by 2. We get answer 24. 24 is again divisible by 2. We get answer 12. 12 again divisible by 2. We get answer 6. 6 is again divisible by 2. We get answer 3. And 3 divided by 3, we get answer 1. So now we write it as a product of prime factors. So 2 multiplied by 2. It is 2 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiply 3 is a 3 times repeatedly multiply. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. In the next number 192, 2 is 6 times repeatedly multiplied. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3 is 1 time. Now these all are prime numbers. There is 2 is repeatedly multiplied 8 times. So we write it as 2 raised to power 8. Multiply. Now we count 3 is 4 times repeatedly multiply. So we write it as 3 raised to power 4. So 2 raised to power 8 into 3 raised to power 4 is the exponential form of given numbers. So now in question number 2, there is a number 270. We find its prime factor and write them in exponential form. So first we find the prime factor of 270 by using prime factorization. 270 is divisible by 2 and we get answer 135. And 135 is divisible by 3, get answer 45. Again 45 is divisible by 3, we get answer 15. Again 15 is divisible by 3, we get answer 5. And 5 divided by 5, we get answer 1. 270 is the product of prime number 2, 3. 3 is a 3 time multiply 5. So we write it in exponential form 2 into 3. 3 raised to power 3 because it is 3 times 3 raised to power 3 multiply by 5. So now in question number 3, 729 multiply by 64. So first we find the prime factor of these two numbers, then we write them in exponential form. So by using prime factorization, we find the prime factor of 729. 729 is divisible by 3, we get answer 243. 243 divisible by 3, we get answer 81. 81 is divisible by 3, we get answer 27. 27 divisible by 3, we get answer 9. 9 is divisible by 3, we get answer 3. And 3 divided by 3, we get answer 1. So the 729 is repeated multiplication of 3. 64. 64 is divisible by 2, we get answer 32. 32 is divisible by 2, we get answer 16. 16 is divisible by 2, we get answer 8. 8 is divisible by 2, we get answer 4. 4 divided by 2, we get answer 2. And 2 divided by 2, we get answer 1. In the number 729, it is repeated multiplication of 3 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write it as repeated multiplication of 3. And second number 64 is also repeated multiplication of 2 6 times. So we write it as 6 times 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. So we write it in exponential form. 3 6 times 3 raised to power 6 and 2 is 6 times 2 raised to power 6. So 3 raised to power 6 into 2 raised to power 6 is exponential form of given number. So now in question number 4, 768. And we find the prime factors of 768. By using prime factorization, we find its prime factors. So 768 divisible by 2, we get answer 384. 384 again divisible by 2, we get answer 192. 192 again divisible by 2, we get answer 96. 96 is again divisible by 2, we get answer 48. And 48 again divisible by 2, we get answer 24. 24 again divisible by 2, we get answer 12. 12 is again divisible by 2, we get answer 6. 6 again divisible by 2, we get answer 3. And 3 divided by 3, we get answer 1. 768 is repeated multiplication of a number 2. 2 is 8 times repeatedly multiplied. So we write it as 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. We write it as 8 times. And multiply 3. 3 is a 1 time. So we write it in exponential form, 2 raised to power 8 into 3. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Press bell icon so you get notification of my new video. Thank you.